Hare Krishna. I have come, today I have come with some new topic. What is that? That is Bhagavad Gita, our holy book, our holy Granth. Bhagavad Gita is a Vedic hymn. So everybody, we should have knowledge about it, right? So I thought whatever I'm learning from my spiritual teacher, let me share with you. Today I'm going to talk about first chapter, first sloka. Please do listen. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Om Namo Shri Bhagavate Vasudevaya Namaha. Ataha Prathama Adhyayaha Arjuna Vishad Yoga. Prathama Adhyaya is about Arjuna's Vishad Yoga. Arjuna, lamentation of Arjuna. First chapter is showing the Arjuna is lamenting. Why he is lamenting? He is not ready to fight with his own relatives, friends, teachers, kith and kins. So he is lamenting. So first shloka is like this. Dhritarashtra uvacha. Dhritarashtra uvacha. Dharma kshetre kurukshetre. Samaveta yuyutsavaha. Mamakaha pandavaschaiva. Kim akurvata Sanjaya. Here, Dhritarashtra asked to Sanjaya. Dhritarashtra asked to Sanjaya, O Sanjaya, after my sons and the Pandu sons are assembled in the battlefield of Kurukshetra, desiring to fight, tell me what did they do? So this is actually Dhritarashtra is asking to Sanjaya. Dharma Kshetre, the place of pilgrimage. Kurukshetra, place, it's a place. Samaveta, assembled. Yuyutsavaha, desiring to fight. Samaveta Yuyutsavaha. They assembled in the, field of Kurukshetra, desiring to fight. Mamakaha Pandavas Chaiva, my sons and Pandu's sons. Kim akurvata Sanjaya. Oh Sanjay, tell me what did they do? Kim akurvata. Right? So this is the actual meaning. Dharma Kshetra, the place where the place. So Dhritarashtra was blind by birth. Everybody knows about it. But Dhritarashtra was blind. His mind was folded with darkness. His mind was folded with lust and greed. So Dhritarashtra was blind from every side, from physically as well as mentally. So that is why here Sanjaya was his secretary to explain, to give all the information, what is going on in the battlefield of Kurukshetra. Sanjaya was also a student of Vyasdev, and he was able to envision the battlefield of Kurukshetra. So Vyasdev, gave such power where Sanjaya could see the whole battlefield, the whole situation, While even though he is, you know, in the room, he is in the room with Dhritarashtra. Sanjay is not physically present in the battlefield of Kurukshetra. He was accompanying to Dhritarashtra. That is why we say Dhritarashtra not only was blind, from his eyes, he was blind from his mind also, from his thought also. So his thoughts was also blind, mind was also blind. That is why the sloka, Dharma kshetre kurukshetre samaveta yuyutsavaha. So Dhritarashtra, asked to the Sanjaya. The first sloka is like this. Dhritarashtra also was knowing that his sons, Dhritarashtra also knew that my sons are not going to compromise with the Pandavas. That is why he had so much fear about it. Dharmakshetra is in the place of pilgrimage, and Kurukshetra, it is also a place where the battlefield took place. In another way, we can understand what is Dharmakshetra. So, as example, our body is a combat. It's a combat. It's a place of combat. Dharmakshetra, Kurukshetra, Dharmakshetra. So we can understand like this way कि our body is a combat. It is a field of combat. We are fighting with our minds, with our own thought process, with our body. Disease, we have so many disease. We are fighting bodily, mentally. So when there are abundance divinity in your heart, in your mind, in your thought process, the body is transmuted into a Dharmakshetra. Right? When my mind filled with divinity, my thought process filled with divinity, the region of heart is filled with divinity, then the body is transmuted. It's Dharmakshetra. Kurukshetra, it's opposite. It degenerates into a Kurukshetra when the demonical powers infested, right? When your demonic culture, when we develop our demonic culture, then it degenerates. The ulta, it is opposite, Kurukshetra. Dharmakshetra also you can try to understand like this way, where our Supreme Father, Supreme Lord Krishna present himself. That particular place becomes automatically Dharmakshetra. Right? Wherever Krishna present, that place becomes Dharmakshetra. When your mind and body and thought process filled with divinity, good culture, good thought process, then you would be called as dharmic. Right? That is why first sloka is like this: Dharmakshetre Kurukshetre Samaveta Yuyutsava. Dharmakshetra Kurukshetra. The place is not only called as Dharmakshetra Kurukshetra, even our mind body is also. One hand it is Dharmakshetra, another hand it is Kurukshetra. When our culture is good, when our activities are good. In the other hand, it degenerates into a Kurukshetra. How? When demonical powers infested in your heart, infested in your mind, infested in your thought process, it degenerates into a Kurukshetra. Right? So Dharmakshetra, where the good activities are going on, your mind, in your body, in your thought process, then the whole body is Dharmakshetra. Opposite, when your mind, thought process filled with lust and greed, demonical cultures, then we say it is Kurukshetra. Right? So dharmik, the person who has all the good qualities, we say the person is dharmik. In the contrary, in the other hand, the person, so Dhritarashtra was very much sure that his sons are going to lose the battle. Why? Because Lord Krishna was present in the side of Pandava. And Pandavas were very pious. So it says one should read Bhagavad Gita scrutinizingly. It is a Vedic hymn. So without personally motivated interpretation, we must learn Bhagavad Gita with the help of Guru or with the help of devotee, the person who is devotee of Lord Krishna. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.